I want to take a minute to talk you through the decision-making criteria and some things you may consider when setting your science-based target. So this slide here is a quick preview of the different reasons and rationale that companies might set targets, and it can help you think through how to decide how to set a target by establishing some decision-making criteria before diving into the technical details. We have four bubbles here, and the importance of each pillar will really depend on your own organization and what's important to you. I'll go through these around in a circle, but we really don't have these listed in order of priority. At the top in the red bubble, you can see one criteria may be meet customer requirements. For example, a major company might send supplier compliance letters to set climate targets aligned with 1.5C ambition, and we're really seeing this across industries, especially in the healthcare sector. The second yellow bucket is easy to understand and communicate, which really thinks more about the practicality of the target and how you can help stakeholders understand your target ambition and your commitments as a company. For example, and we'll go into this in greater detail later on, absolute targets are easier to communicate than intensity-based targets or hybrid targets that may mix the methodologies for target setting. On the bottom in green, you can see aligned to climate science. The good news is that if you move forward with setting a science-based target, and use our resources to help you do so, you will be on track to check this box and make sure that your emission reduction is indeed what's needed to help society meet that 1.5-degree scenario in line with the Paris Agreement goals. Lastly, in blue, we have that it's important to balance the ambition of your target with the achievability of your target. When you're looking and considering different reduction levels, there are different implications of what might be required and what might be more aspirational versus realistic. It really depends on your own organization and what you believe you can achieve, and so it's important to consider that when setting a target. Those are just a few considerations for setting a science-based target.